Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends. In the current week we have seen that the market has closed at a level of 14,744 with a massive weekly loss of 287 points or a negative 1.9% in terms of percentage. Now few observations for the current week are: we have seen that the broader market has formed lower top lower bottom formation specifically on daily as well as on weekly charts, and we have observed that once again the broader market has faced selling pressure specifically above the mark of 15,000 levels, which dragged down the Nifty, and in this week it has breached its previous swing low also. However, on the last day, that is on Friday, the market has managed to sustain and close above its previous swing low of 14,467 marks, specifically on the weekly charts. On the daily charts, the Nifty continuously traded for the entire week below its 21 days moving average. However, it has also breached its 50 days moving average, which shows that there is some bearish undertone in the market, at least for the short term. Talking about the daily momentum indicator, as of now placed below 50 mark, which shows some weakness in the market, at least in the near term. Now, talking about the probability that what could happen in the next week, if the broader market breaches its current week low, which is as of now at 14,350 level, then further sliding up to 14,000 or even 13,596, which is the January 2021 low, is highly possible. Immediate support for the market is placed at 14,350, which is the current week low, and below that at 14,000, followed by 13,596. On the higher side, the market is facing continuous selling pressure at 14,902, which will be its 20 days simple moving average, and above that at 15,051, which is the weekly high, and maybe above that at 15,336 or the all-time high. Seeing the current confusion in the market, what strategy could be adopted by positional traders specifically? One can buy only if the important resistance level of 14,902, which is the 20 days simple moving average, surpasses, with a strict stop loss placing at 14,750. Trader should enter the trade only above 14,900 and place a strict stop loss of 14,750. Specifically for their existing long position, they can keep a stop loss of current week low, which is placed at 14,335. Now for the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. One is ITC Limited. One can buy at minor dip around 220 with a stop loss placing at 210 for an upside potential of 235. Another counter which seems to be strongly positive is JSW Steel Limited. One can buy on minor dip around 436 with a stop loss placing at 414 for an upside potential of 490. So that's it for the current week. We'll meet you on next Friday. Thank you very much for joining us.